In this video today, I'm in my bedroom doing my tiny tidy. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and I'm switching it up today. I'm still working on my craft room, but not in this video. This video, I'm doing my bedroom. I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn for putting up the Tiny Tidy collaboration and all the other ladies that participate. Hi! I really enjoy watching your videos. Don't forget to watch the other girls who put in a video for Tiny Tidy Tuesday. It will be in my description box as usual, and you just tap it and they'll all come up for you to watch. So please subscribe to their channels and like their videos and share the Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Just in case somebody wants to join us, you certainly can. You just get a hold of Sunday Dawn and she'll put you on the list. And I know we'd all love to see what you're up to. Oh, this is my mop because I vacuumed and mopped under my bed because these two baskets sit under there and they're full of stuff and I'm not ready to part with. Someday I will go through them again and stick this basket because it too has stuff in it that I'm really not ready to get rid of yet. So it goes under my bed. So those two baskets just go under the bed for now. My dresser too. So I'm gonna take these and this. This and this can go in the wash. And I don't know about everybody else in the world, but in Canada, and I think most people have a sleep apnea machine. Well, I think I figured out a way to cover it up to make it look prettier on my dresser. So I have to have that on my dresser. And this is the hose that goes with it. This is, it's my cord for plugging in my phone. And this is my cup of coffee. Yeah, I've been doing quite a bit in the bedroom. But this needs to be done as well, so I need to get out my little things that I say put my jewelry in. Because I'm going to take this big jewelry box off my chest, off my dresser. And I'm going to put the stuff that's inside it. May as well do that right now. Got this cute little bag when I bought my purse. Right now I've got Kleenex in it, but I'm going to take Kleenex out. There. And I'm going to put some cream, some extra eye drops, some pills I don't take anymore, and then there's some vitamins and stuff in the top here that I'm just going to, oh, that's a lip gloss. A little lip gloss. Okay, so these pills and stuff are going to go in the garbage. So I have my little top of this cleaned out and I put it in here, and there are other things I'm going to add in here. which is exactly what I want it to be, is cleaned up. So use it for my wash my makeup off. So I'm going to put this one on the bottom and put these in beside. Take it off in here, and sometimes take it off in the living room. And I'm going to put this in here and my deodorant. These, yeah, didn't open anyhow. Good thing I'm vacuuming my bed. Okay, now I've got these containers. A long time ago, using these containers to put earrings in. And I have lots of earrings all over the place in here. It's just as easy to dump that out, and then I can sort through the earrings. Now those are kind of... Okay, I got both these drawers cleared out. Well, there's a little something in there, but I'm going to take that into my craft room because I have a home for where that stuff goes. And now this jewelry box, I'm just going to put it in my craft room for now and decide what I'm going to do. And I still have one case. I can go... What's in it? Something's in it. I better check it. Oh, some lipstick and stuff. Oh, keys. I think those are keys to our trailer. So I'm not going to hide those. And there's a lipstick. And a couple of bracelets to put away. This stuff is all going to go back on my dresser when I figure out what I'm doing. So, ouch. So now I'm going to take the garbage, stick it in here, and I can take it out. To the garbage can and get rid of it. I'm going to keep this right tucked down here. And then it's out of the way. I'm trying to figure out what to do with my top of my dresser. Well, I got the bed all cleared off, and I got my jewelry reorganized, and I put stuff back on my dresser, even though I'm going to do something with it eventually. So, I just wanted to show you that I got things in the garbage, things put away, and now I'm giving my mattress a really, really good vacuum. And it always feels good to get into bed with a nice clean bed. And the bed will be all ready for clean sheets. And you'll see my bedroom all done up for spring this Sunday on the home reset. Sunday home reset. By Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home. That's the name of her channel, The Helpful Home. And okay, we'll see you in my next video, which will be the Fairy Garden Thursday. Another collaboration with all kinds of fairy gardens. And this one is hosted by Grandma Sandy. Anyhow, we'll see y'all on Thursday. Bye.